Hey everybody, it's Amanda Ray coming to you with another American Bill Money. Today I am going to show live proof. I received a check today and I'm extremely excited. I just wanted to let everybody know I have something special for you guys because American Bill Money has some brand new postcards and they look so good. They're so sleek, and this is really going to help people to take their business to the next level. So to start off, about American Bill Money, it's a postcard program. It's been around since 2003, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and I've been getting paid every single week since like the third week or second week that I've started with the program. I've been with American Bill Money now since May of 2017, and I'm extremely excited to be a part of this program and to be an affiliate and show others how to earn money online. This is the payment I received today, and I am extremely excited because $1,500 for 1 week is really a good payment for me, okay? It's life changing for a lot of people. Some people are only looking to make like $500 to $700 a week, but with American Bill Money, the sky is the limit. You're going to get $75 of residual income for each person that joins your downline. I'm going to show you this packet that I got in the mail today from American Bill Money. This is what came in. Look at this folder. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, when you open it, it gives you some materials inside that we're going to go over tonight. This is the back of the folder, and it's really nice. It has $100 bill signs all over it. On the front, it just tells you that they just made 15 years in this business. 15 years, guys. So we know that this is a legitimate business and it's not going anywhere, okay? Another thing we received in the mail today is some new postcards, guys. Look at this. American Bill Monies. You already have residual bills. Now you just need a residual income. And that's what we all want, guys. We want a residual income for our residual bills. So this is the front of what it looks like, and it has a phone number in so people can call and sign up by using your your ABM number. And here on the front is where you would have your ABM number, the number for them to call in, and this is where you would actually put your label for the person that you're going to be sending this to. So I got these beautiful postcards, this information in the mail today for you to be able to send out to people. It just lets you know 50% off of your first order of 1,000 or 2,500 postcards. And I'm just really excited about this. Guys, 10 people in a month is a $750 residual income for the month. Again, I received also this. These are the new postcards. Look at them. Extremely eye-catching. They're sleek. It has like a nice finish over it, a shiny finish. So for you to get a really good look, and it says 15 years. They just made 15 years in the business. And you don't need a laptop to do this. All you need is a stamp. If you have a postcard stamp and you can put a stamp on a postcard, you can earn with this business, okay? So this is the front of the postcard, and here's the back that gives you the information about American Bill Money, okay? And then we also have this postcard here. So you have a selection. You can choose one or the other, whichever one that you like. You can put your name on your picture on the front, your name, and your ABM number on the front of these postcards, okay? So this is what I got in the mail today, and I'm extremely excited about this program because receiving a $1,500 check along with this information is just mind-blowing. And these are weekly payments. You get paid every single week to be a part of American Bill Money. So if you want more information about this program, you want to see how I've been earning a consistent income online with this program, all you have to do is click on the description in the link. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you receive notifications for every time that I put up a video. And you can follow my results and follow my online journey, my offline journey, and how I'm doing with American Bill Money. Not only that, they have different ways that you can promote this business, whether you're using postcards, classified ads, you want to put something in a newspaper, you want to promote this online. There's a ton of different ways that you can do it. But remember, it's all about consistency. In order to maintain a full-time income online or offline, you have to be consistent. So I just want to say thank you for watching my video. I'm hoping to inspire others to start a home-based business. And if you want to reach out to me, you can also click on the link in the description to reach me on Facebook. So thanks again, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you again next week.